and Bohomok, I completed my graduation from the National Institute of Engineering, Mysuru, from the Department of Mechanical Engineering during July 2017. Currently, I am working as a Junior Mechanical Engineering Production Department in a startup firm.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajiv Koni, BE Mechanical student of 3rd year from Hubli.
Hi, I'm Rishabh Kathote. I'm a beginner mechanical engineer. I've graduated in the year 2017.
Myself Suraj Kamar. I have completed my BE Mechanical in 2017 and I'm from Bijapur.
Hi, I'm Trilok. I'm a mechanical engineer. After I went through this course, I wouldn't say I'm a good mechanical engineer, but I'm trying to be a good mechanical engineer.
Well, for my final year project, I chose a pretty complex topic, that is the effect of multi-wall carbon nanotubes on mechanical and tribological properties of epoxy nanocomposites. So, after completing this project, I was very much interested to pursue my higher studies and to work in composite field. So, I joined this course. I came across this course in LinkedIn.
Looking for a core engineering company after when I get out from college. But for that, for core engineering company, we need a lot of knowledge. So I was in search of it. So one of my friends suggested. So it would be a great opportunity that you can take up it.
Well, I joined this course because after my engineering, I've learned a lot of subjects, but I don't know exactly how it is being applied. So whatever I have learned, I'm not at all confident about it. And for that reason, I wanted to do my masters abroad. And to do my masters abroad, it's very important to have a good profile to get admission in a very good university. And I joined this course so that I can learn on work on projects that can help me improve my profile, and I can get admission in a better university abroad.
I was looking for a course that could actually help me in understanding the basic knowledge. When I came to Bangalore, I have done some CAD courses which was actually suggested by my seniors. But after doing the courses, one thing I understood is that I have learned the software skills, but I didn't learn anything related to engineering. Due to which, once again, I started searching for the internship or courses that would actually teach me how to design a component or a structure. One day I saw this course in the LinkedIn, and therefore I joined this course.
I was intended to do a higher education, but I was seeking for the expertise suggestions, but I didn't get good responses from my in my connection. But somehow I got in touch with Ashok sir and I spoke with him about my interest. But then he suggested me to go through what the industries are looking for and which are the qualities should engineers have. So he explained me about his course, and somewhere I thought, yeah, I should do this course. So I joined this course.
The course is very good and it is very informative. I'm attending this course from past 14 weeks. So after attending this course, I've got more knowledge and I'm pretty confident to crack any of the interviews and also to pursue my higher studies. From this course, right from solving a cantilever beam to designing a product which is up to international level. So I learned all these things. This course is very well structured and is a perfectly industry oriented course.
It was very good, and it was almost 3 months got over. So it's fantastic. When it comes to the exposure, it will be a lot of many things we get to know, where in industry less than 10 years we don't get.
In the course, we learned the global industry requirements, standards, and what is the expectation in the engineers. So in the course, in the beginning, we learned the concepts according to the global industry standards. It could be a simple concept like a cantilever beam, but the engineering involved in it is very complex. So when we understand these basic concepts, it will be easier for us to like work on the real life problems. So all the problems which are in the industry are basically they are related to the basics. So if we are thorough with the basics, it will be easier for us to understand the physics behind the problem and work on any of the problem. So we learned the basics and then understood how it is being applied in the problems, and how is that we'll have to understand and go about with any of the problem.
The course was good, and I was able to understand what really the design means in an engineering field. How the global industry is moving in the coming 5 years. What are the global industry expectations and customer requirements? I was also able to understand what is an engineer and how important it is for the engineering graduates to understand the basics and how we need to apply it in the real world problems.
Course was really good, and I have learned many things. What the industries are looking for, what are the qualities engineers should have, and what are the standardized procedures should be followed to design a product, and what are the materials make your design more safer and lighter.
The course helped me to gain an insight of the composite materials, the designing of composite aerostructures, the stacking sequences, which is very much important in order to manufacture and also to design the composite materials. I also learned the panel sizing, and also we at the end of this course we completely learn how to design and analyze the vertical tail of an aircraft.
Actually, the course helped me in many ways, like knowing industries, what they prefer, what type of knowledge they prefer when we get into the industry standards, and how the international company approaches us, what will be their requirement in FEM or in a classical approach.
I wanted to build a strong profile for my masters, and after the end of the course I was able to work on projects according to the global standards. So it helped me in building a very good profile, and added to that it helped me. The course helped me in getting a confidence to talk in an interview. So whenever I attend interviews, it gave me the confidence to talk and explain them in detail what exactly I have worked. It helped me build a very good profile and improve my confidence.
First of all, I started learning and understanding the basic concepts of an engineering, and then I was able to learn to apply it to the real world problems. I was looking for a design course where I'll be able to learn the real design of a structure or a component, and after attending this course I was able to understand the design procedures, the considerations, what all things that needs to be considered to design a structure or a beam or a component. Yeah. Today this course has become a career guiding path to the field which actually I'm passionate and I love to work in.
This course helped me in understanding the basic concepts and how to analyze the problem.
I strongly suggest upcoming engineering graduates, mechanical engineers, working professionals in aircraft, rail industry, automotive and marine industry, in whichever field you may be, in order to become a good mechanical engineer, and also if you want to gain more depth knowledge about the design and analysis of the composite materials, which is very much essential to meet the international standards. This is the perfect course.
I would like to suggest those who are very passionate to work in mechanical industry, that too in core engineering. If you want to go into the core engineer company, want to have some fun in engineering background, then I would like to suggest you to go through this course, because it will give much information.
I would suggest this course to others because you understand the basics, how it is being applied.
I would suggest this course to my friends, so it would help you to understand the engineering concepts, and at the same time it would also help you to understand in what way the industry is moving towards and where the jobs will be created in the coming 5 to 10 years, and what kind of engineers are required in the industry today.
Yeah, really recommend this course to who are all to those who are all interested and passionate in this engineering